Whoa. You get him, Rufus? Booms. Oh, Snuggles. Hi, babe. How are you?
Hi.
Hi. And you say hi, Gigi?
Hi, Gigi.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hello, Papa.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you say, love you.
Hello.
That's right. Love you. We miss you.
Have fun in Tibet.
From the kitchen, Jordy says.
Have fun in Tibet.
They're in Nepal.
Oh, okay. Have fun in Nepal too.
Say, we miss you. We love you. We hope you're having fun.